really bright. Oh, and hot. So today we are going to attempt the sound deadening and hopefully start the insulation process of the van. So the first thing we've got to do is get the rest of these panels out, and then we can get the panels out, clean it up so it's got a nice surface to start with, and then then we can crack on. Oh, and they're big buggers there. Get under there.
That hit me.
Oh, I've got those bombs off. Right, what's next, Elle?
Panels are out, and now we're going to clean it.
Right, everything is clean, panels have been removed, so now it's time to put the sound deadening on. It used to be the case that you would cover every single bit of metalwork, but apparently you don't really need to do that anymore. Like a piece on a panel should be enough. So what we're going to do is cut these to various sizes, just using a Stanley knife, and then just stick them on the wall. They're self-adhesive, and the back of it is a bit like blue tack. It's kind of like a rubbery kind of thing, a bit like blue tack. So it'll just stick straight to the wall, and we'll get it all done. Be a lesson. Elle has just cut herself on the edge of this, so these edges are pretty sharp, so just be careful with that. I'll take this opportunity to just explain what sound deadening actually does. So all it does really, in a normal car this would already be in the panels and stuff, but because it's a van obviously they don't bother with that. So all this big sheets of metal sound really tinny when you hit it. And then all this does really is just add mass to the panels, so the sound, it deadens the sound. I hope that comes across on the camera. But yeah, so you don't have to do this, but we wanted to do it as well as we could, and this was a step that was recommended. So we're going to use as much as we can on these big panels. We're not going to do these bits because this is where the windows are going to go, so both sides and the back. But we'll use all this. We've got 10 sheets of it, which is enough to cover the van, so we'll get that done, get as much done as we can. Oh, she's back now.
This really hurts.
What did you do?
I sliced it on this metal.
Strawberry.
Like a paper cut.
Are you okay?
It won't stop bleeding.
Dale?
It's raining, so shut all the doors.
How can it be raining? It was like 30 degrees outside.
It's really weird, it's blue sky over there.
Well, surprise, surprise, it's raining. Obviously, this is England. So, but we got it all done. We've got all the soundproofing where it needs to be. Just had enough to do in there and up there. Done the doors, we've got some on the roof, you can see the strips. And we've got a sheet left here that we're going to put a bit on the floor just before we lay the ply down. So yeah, that's good. Shame it's raining so we can't do the insulation, but we'll be back and we'll do some more ASAP. Also, let's see if you can tell the difference on the camera, but this sounds really dead, and that's what it sounded like with none. So this is obviously where the window's going, so we haven't done behind here. So tinny, dead. Job done.